So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Power Rangers Morpher. So start with some thin cardboard and trace a circle onto it. Then cut the circle out with a pair of scissors. Then draw on your power coin design. Then you want to take some puffy paint. You're just going to squeeze the puffy paint all over the design that you drew on. You can do as many power coins as you want, just leave them to dry. Then take some corrugated cardboard in a rectangle and cut the corners off so you get a long octagon. You'll make 4 of those. And then hot glue the 4 octagons together. Then take some regular paper, put a little bit of glue on your octagon, and put the paper all the way around the outside of it, and that will hide the corrugated edges of the cardboard. And then just cut the excess edges with a pair of scissors so that they're even with the sides of the cardboard. And then paint your power coins metallic gold. Then cut a circle. I'm using craft foam, but you can also use more cardboard. You'll just see the edges. And trace the power coin in the middle of the circle. And then cut out that centerpiece just a little bit beyond the lines that you traced, so it's a little bit bigger in the center than the power coin. You'll have a little ring, so glue that onto the top of the octagon. The power coin should fit right in there, but you don't want to glue that on yet. Just set that in there to make sure it fits. There should be a little bit of space between that and the ring. So then coat the entire octagon with some watered down Elmer's glue. Give it a couple coats, and then paint it metallic silver. So then take some magnets, I'm using an old business card calendar here, and cut 2 small pieces, and they should fit right together. And so put a little bit of glue on the back of one, and glue that in the center of the circle, and then put a little glue on the top of the other one, and put the power coin on that. So then once the glue is dry, there'll be a magnet on both the power coin and the morpher. And you can interchange the power coins, and they both fit right on perfectly. So then paint the ring with some red paint. And then paint the interior around the ring with some black paint. And you really have to do just the very edges. You don't have to do the full inside because that'll be covered up by the power coin anyway. So I just did the very edge. And then use a thin-tipped brush to draw the crack. Obviously this one won't actually open, but you want to at least paint the crack on there. So there's that. And then use a thin-tipped brush to paint on the rest of the designs in black, just like that. And then finally take a very thin-tipped brush, and you just want to write the Power Rangers with the little lightning bolts or zigzags, whatever those are, coming off of them around the ring. And so then you can just put the power coins in. And then finally take a piece of thick ribbon. Black would be better, but all I had was gray, so that's what I'm using. You just want to put a little bit of glue on the edge of the ribbon and glue that onto the back of the morpher. Then put a little glue on the other side and fold that around to make a little hand pocket.
It's here! Oh wait, that's my other one. It's Morphin time!